All right. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Happy Sunday. So, today we are going to actually demonstrate our team. Development team means the development team means and almost everyone except the coaches. The one sprint, the work, whatever they have accomplished means what are the estimation they have done last Saturday until today. So this is called like the show and tell. It happens in the Scrum at the very last step. Okay, it's called the business show and tell. Some company call release. Some company call release details. Okay, it has a many names based on the company. They call it the way they want. Okay, so the whole purpose of the release is to demonstrate the business. Business means who are the users, right? Who are the users? It includes the operation, means who is actually from the business side. Also include actual users, right? So operation can be actual user too, no problem. Okay, because giving an example, and the Facebook development team never show me their release. Means their internal team become their user. That QA can be their own user, so they can see the user experience. The purpose of the release is to demonstrate what has been done and what has been actually going to production. Okay. Also, it is to verify what business has provided so they can see on the staging environment, and they can actually provide the feedback. At the same time, they also can see that what actually has been done according to their instruction or not, because they're the stakeholder. They also get the idea to engage their document team. Document team, where their team has to document the new process if there is a process has been changed, so that their team can document it, and then operation team can use it. When we speak about the operation, means as an example, Facebook, you can say 50,000 employee that is in the part of the operation, if not less. Amazon maybe over 100,000 operation, if not less. I think there is more. Operation means who is actually the basically the business users providing the service to the end users. So service means anything. Now you can think about any of the application. Operation people who actually responding to the users or providing the service to users. So this operation people from the business side, and users are actually user who is going to use the application. In this release, you can think the entire team stays basically. Okay, development, QA, DevOps means everyone, or their representatives. Okay, if not all. And the release team, basically, release team is an independent team. They actually ensure that things are done properly. What it means, let's say if we are going to release 70 bugs, right, for today, the release team ensure each of the bug has the task created and the test case is there, test plan is there. They ensure that. Also, each of the release team ensure that the proper the request came to the release team that I want to go this user story to production. Release team also review if their manager, their leader has approved their user story. Got it? So release team has their internal process. All they want to make sure everybody is aware of what has been going to the production. It's not like the one-man show. Once the release team ensure all of this, then they actually they bring this the user story to the release. In between, if the release team member communicate with the QA or the developer back and forth, whatever they need, until they have everything they need, until they have what they need, they will not approve. So it means they will communicate in the chat or the email or the comments, any of the means, basically. Once everything is all good, then the release team approve that, for the release discussion. Okay, release happen multiple way. Okay, this is the pre-release. Okay, this is called the pre-release. The pre-release means that this is actually the final. We are going to go live production with all the things we have done. It's called the sprint release. That is called the feature release. That is called the quarterly release. That is called the monthly release. This all the release is valid. All right. How? When we do the feature, we do the small release internally. Then we do the feature release. Means after 3 months, the entire feature will be demonstrated, and then release will happen. That's called the feature release. Sprint release, I think you guys already know. Entire sprint, all the activities is going to be released. And then the quarterly release is the kind of the similar to the sprint release, but it's a different. Quarterly release is not only one feature. Many teams are working. They're all going through their feature has to go live. They have their own business stakeholders, the business team. They actually all showing all their show and tell. Once all the quarterly release is approved, then all goes live. And then you will see the press release happen in the worldwide. Hey, we just released the new feature. Okay, that's how they actually spread out the release around the world to their stakeholders. Okay, like each of the Amazon big company, they have to actually release worldwide. Whatever company is the public company, each time they do something, it has to go worldwide, and that's called the PR, means press release. Okay, or public release, whatever you call. So these are actually in general, in a nutshell, the entire process is. Okay, I work actually in each of the phase. I had opportunities, so that's the reason I can tell you the story. Okay, so for us, we decided our team is large. They have around over 20 developers work, but they have all limited knowledge. The quality team work, they have also limited knowledge. Only the 2 or 3 people has the entire knowledge. Okay, what is going on? And so this release will ensure you means as the users, means you are students, because you guys get all the issues. Then actually we track those issues. Then we prioritize those issues. We bring those issues into the sprint, and finally we start working on it. We develop it, we review it, staging, push to staging environment, quality assurance team test it, and finally ready for the production. So basically, any of the issues you guys get it, we actually take this consideration, either the low priority, medium priority, or high priority. So we plan to do this every week, every Sunday we also will be looking for the constructive feedback, what you like, what you don't like. Also, this conversation will ensure you that you know how actually practical environment work. So we are basically giving you the practical experience through this meeting as well, through this release meeting as well, or release presentation, release show and tell. You can name it, it's fine, because these are all organic. Once the discussion will be done, then we'll be actually pushing to production. Okay, we'll talk about this. We'll be pushing to the portal that you guys use. We'll be putting to the branch that our operation team use. We'll be pushing into the all other application we have worked last entire week. We'll be pushing all of them. And here we have the Vocalize Pro. This is, you guys don't know it. This is one of my. I'm actually the founder of the platform. I have the gentleman here. He's my partner. So he and I am actually developing this. So we'll be actually showing you this as well. Okay, that's our goal from this meeting. So if someone asks you the release process, you should be able to answer this question without any problem. Okay. Maisha, can you please stop this recording, then start again?